Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on these sketchy purple swirls. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'm going to be using today are all Sally Hansen, but they're from a variety of different Sally Hansen lines. First we have Royal Purple Chrome, which is from the Chrome nail makeup line. Then we have Deep End, which is a triple shine. We have Moonstone Chrome, another Chrome nail makeup. From the Lacquer Shine line, we have Flare. From the Hard as Nails Extreme Wear, we have Purple Potion. Also from the Lacquer Shine, we have Spark. Then again, back to the Extreme Wear, we have Jam Sesh. And finally, we have Lacy Lilac, which is going to be my base color. I have a lid that I'm going to be using as my palette and a small nail art brush, and I'm just going to go through the colors one at a time, starting out with the lightest one, but not necessarily progressing darker and darker. And to keep things in more of a spiral design, with the very first color, I'm actually going to go ahead and draw a spiral onto my nail and use that as a guide for the rest of the strokes. So I'm going to do that on all my nails and then move on to the next color. Once you're done, you can take care of any cleanup around the edges with a small brush dipped in acetone. Once you're done with any cleanup, you can go ahead and finish with a top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how these turned out. I feel like the spiral got lost on a couple of the nails, but overall, using that first color to kind of sketch out my pattern, I think really helped. And of course, it's purple, which is my favorite color, so it gets bonus points for that. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.